It's very minimal effort using humble ingredients to make something that tastes absolutely unreal. Welcome back to my one pan tatin. This is my carrot and chili tatin and it's a proper treat. So much so that you should save it down to your Recime app for later by hitting share, tapping the Recime app and it will import all of the ingredients and method at the touch of a button. It's a fuss-free recipe with a huge reward and I just know that you'll end up scranning it all to yourself in one sitting, just like I did.